Hi friends, welcome back to another session of EC Made Easy. After looking into a half-wave rectifier where a single diode was used and it was converting a bidirectional current into unidirectional current, but only thing is it was allowing only half cycle of the input sinusoidal at the output. So if you just look at it, then the first half cycle is allowed, second half cycle is not allowed because it's going to reverse bias the diode. Then third half cycle again is because positive is allowed, fourth not allowed, fifth allowed, sixth not allowed, and so on. So alternately half cycles are allowed, and this makes almost half the period no output, and hence the average output available will be lower. Now, how to make sure that the other half is also made available? So, in that case, we can take up another circuit. The only difference now is this thing is reversed in other sense. The first half cycle is negative, whereas the second half cycle is positive. Just reverse the polarity. So if this is V, this is minus V. So just negate it, we get this one. And the advantage of working with this is it will not allow one, but it will allow two. It will not allow three, but it will allow four. So this circuit is allowing 1, 3, 5, 7, and so all odd half cycles, whereas if you change this and apply to another such circuit, then it is going to allow only even half cycles 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. And if we want all of them, then we need to make sure that these get added up. And to add two currents, we just need to connect them in parallel, and that's what we can simply do. So this is our one circuit which gives our output for all odd half cycles, and this is the one which gives output for all even cycles. So you connect input like this, and you connect input like this, and then for all odd cycles, for all odd cycles, this will be the current odd half cycle, sorry. This will be the current flowing, and for all even half cycles, this will be the current flowing. Whatever be the case, you can see that the current flowing through the resistor is in the same direction. Therefore, they just get added up, and the final result would be 1 comes from here, 2 comes from here, 3 comes from here, 4 comes from here, and so on. So 1 from here, 2 from here, 3 from here, 4 from here, and so on. And that continues. Done? Done. Now the question is how to reverse this and apply. So one simplest way is use a transformer. Transformer is a special circuit which we are going to use whenever there is power conversion required, because our AC input will be 110 volts or 220 volts, depending on which country you are working, and the output requirement in DC is something like 5 volts, 10 volts, 12 volts, and so on. Therefore, a transformer anyway is required whether you are using a half wave rectifier or full wave rectifier. Yes, a transformer is being used. So, whatever be the primary, depending on how do you make the connection, if you connect it from this end, then this is going to work only for this direction of current. That means when you apply AC here, then for some cycle, some half cycle, the current will be like this. It is positive half or negative half, depends on how the things are connected. Let's not get in detail about the transformer connections and all. So you have already gone through in electrical circuitry. So let me just jump and get into what is required for now. So if we use this, then yes, now the current will be flowing in this direction. So whenever this positive cycle is there, yes, positive cycle will get you this current. Now what to do with the negative cycle? Yes, you can repeat the same thing, but only thing is instead of connecting diode here, now connect the diode here. That means whenever the negative cycle is there, whenever negative cycle is there, then instead of this current, you will have current in this reverse direction, and now this will definitely work for it. So we have this circuit. So this part works for one direction of current, this part works for another direction of current, and what we wanted was both of them to be together. So we can think of having a common connection here. Instead of using two resistors, you can use a single resistor. So it looks like this now. So during positive cycles, current flows this way. During negative cycles, current flows this way. Therefore, in both the half cycles, the current is always flowing through the resistor, and hence we have this effect. For 1, 3, 5, 7, this will be working. For 2, 4, 6, 8, this will be working, and we get this output. Now, instead of having two transformers, it could be better if we use a single primary, two secondary transformer, so which we call a transformer with center tap, and then we have this circuitry. So all the time this is the polarity across this load, and you get this output all the time. So that's input applied, some 220 or 110 volts here. This transformer is going to create two voltages, 5 volts, 5 volts each. So one gets plus 5, one gets minus 5 because of this center tapping arrangement. And because of this, when we have positive cycle, this becomes plus 5, this is minus 5, this reverse bias, this forward biased conduction. When you have a negative cycle, then this becomes minus 5, this becomes plus 5, therefore this conducts and you get output. So a single transformer with the two secondaries, or as one secondary with single center tapping, can be used. The only thing is you are almost using two transformer lighting, and because of this lot of losses will be there. So it would be always beneficial if we can use a single secondary instead of two secondaries as we used here, and still can get a full wave rectification. Is it possible? Yes, that's a question. Yes, it is possible, and that's what is we are going to see in our next section. So till then, take care. See you. Bye.